Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Vegas visiting the Strat, formerly known as the Stratosphere. It's at the tippity top of the Las Vegas Strip on the northern end of the Strip, pretty much far away from everything else. If you want to go visit the popular area of the Strip and you don't like really long walks, you might have to take a bus or an Uber or a cab or a Lyft or something like that. The Strat had a reputation of the cheap hotel at the northern end of the Strip that had a really cool observation deck. As you'll see in the video, the Strat is undergoing a lot of changes to shed that reputation, including not only the name change, but major renovations to the hotel and casino. And yes, there's that tower, the tallest freestanding observation deck in the United States. The observation deck not only has unbelievable views of the Strip as well as downtown, but sick rides that hang over the edge that make you just want to toss up that buffet you just had. The observation deck and its rides are covered on a separate video on this channel, so check it out. Just like Cabby in many of my New York videos, Mitzi the Las Vegas Rubber Ducky Showgirl shows up on many of my Vegas videos, including this one. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's very elusive, so keep your eyes open for her. If you spot her, note the time and leave a comment below. We'll give you a shout out on our next Vegas video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting Las Vegas, I suggest the Foder's Las Vegas Guide. It's written by locals and has lots of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to Las Vegas, and I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you. This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.